scrolling through Instagram or TikTok, watching your favorite influencer's story, only to find out that influencer isn't even human. Sounds wild, right? But this is the future we're heading towards. Today, we're diving deep into the rise of AI influencers, virtual personalities powered by artificial intelligence that are taking the internet by storm. Are they the future of digital influence? Will they replace real human creators? Let's find out. AI influencers are fully digital personas created using advanced AI, 3D modeling, and animation technologies. Unlike traditional influencers, these virtual stars don't exist in the physical world, yet they have massive social media followings. They post photos, share videos, endorse brands, and even engage with fans, all generated or scripted by AI and human teams behind the scenes. They are the ultimate blend of creativity and technology. You've probably seen these hyper-realistic AI influencers on Instagram and TikTok. They look like real people, but they're actually computer-generated. The idea of virtual celebrities isn't new. Think of Hatsune Miku, a Japanese virtual pop star who's been performing since 2007. But AI influencers like Lil Miquela and Shudu have taken it to the next level. They blend realism with AI-powered content creation to produce incredibly lifelike videos and images, and their popularity has skyrocketed. These influencers began as marketing experiments by a media company, but they quickly turned into genuine cultural phenomena. Brands saw the massive potential in this new form of influencer marketing and started investing heavily in it. So we're talking about a multi-million-dollar industry here. Let's talk names. Lil Miquela, arguably the most famous AI influencer created by Brood. She has over 3 million followers, has released music, and collaborated with luxury brands like Prada. Shudu, known as the world's first digital supermodel, created by photographer Cameron James Wilson and featured in campaigns for Fenty Beauty. Ima, a Japanese virtual model famous for her fashion-forward looks and futuristic vibe. Each of these virtual influencers has a distinct personality, backstory, and aesthetic crafted by their creators to build loyal audiences. You've probably seen these AI influencers on Instagram and TikTok. They have millions of followers, and they're not real people. So why do brands love them? Well, it's because they offer total control. With a real influencer, you have to worry about their image, their personality, their controversies. With an AI influencer, you don't. You can program them to wear your latest fashion line on a beach in Bali. You can have them post at exactly 5 p.m. on a Tuesday with a perfect caption. You can even have them respond to trends in real time, and because they're AI, they're able to target specific demographics with laser precision, making your marketing campaigns more efficient and cost-effective than ever before. So if you're a brand, this is the way forward. You may even become the next big thing in AI marketing. Building an AI influencer is a complex process that combines several cutting-edge technologies: 3D modeling and animation, creating photorealistic avatars with tools like Blender, Maya, or Unreal Engine. AI voice synthesis, using neural networks to generate natural-sounding speech, like 11 Labs or Replica Studios. Natural language processing. GPT-powered chatbots enable virtual influencers to engage with fans in real time on social media. Motion capture and facial animation, bringing the avatar to life with realistic expressions and gestures. The result: a digital star who looks, sounds, and acts like a real person, but is entirely synthetic. Why are people drawn to AI influencers? Partly because of their perfect, flawless appearance, free from imperfections or aging, but also because they're novel, mysterious, and futuristic, sparking curiosity and fascination. Plus, they can embody idealized versions of identity and style that resonate with diverse audiences. For some, they represent a blend of entertainment and fantasy, like a virtual celebrity from a sci-fi world. Will AI influencers replace human creators entirely? Probably not, at least not anytime soon. many people still crave genuine human connection, emotion, and authenticity. Human influencers share personal stories, vulnerabilities, and spontaneous moments that AI just can't replicate yet. However, in highly commercialized sectors like fashion or gaming, AI influencers might dominate because they offer scalability and complete brand alignment. Some creators are even blending AI with human influence, creating hybrid models. The rise of AI influencers raises important ethical questions. Should brands disclose when content is AI generated? Could AI influencers deceive audiences, especially younger viewers? What impact will this have on human jobs in influencer marketing and modeling? Could virtual influencers perpetuate unrealistic beauty standards, even more than human influencers? As AI continues to grow, transparency and regulation may become necessary. Looking forward, AI influencers could become even more personalized, tailored to interact with individual users based on preferences and behaviors. Imagine following a virtual influencer created specifically for you, who speaks your language, shares your interests, and even knows your personality. We might see AI influencers working alongside human creators, powering new kinds of entertainment, advertising, and even social causes. The line between reality and digital fantasy will continue to blur. So, what do you think? Are AI influencers the future of digital fame? Would you follow a virtual persona over a real person? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting videos about AI and technology shaping our world.